Welcome to Smart Syllabus students. So as you know, we are dealing with your SSLC final exam preparation crash course. So it's like a completely a passing package, but in this passing package, students, you are going to get only 100% question which is going to appear in your final examination. Already in this series, we have solved many 100% questions, and those all videos are there in this channel. So if you want to watch these videos, then you have to go to the description link and check those videos. And even in the future, if you want to get the same videos, then you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like the videos. And to make it perfect, and at the end of every video, there is some homework. You have to do that homework to make sure that yes, you are eligible for this 100% question. Right? So, dear students, today we'll continue with one more 100% question. Let's begin. So dear students, as you all know, in the previous video, we have started with one more new topic that is called as polynomials. So under this polynomial, we have solved one kind of sum, that is finding the zeros of a given polynomial. So the remaining points which we have to cover, first we'll have a glance at those points, then we'll continue this video. Okay, the important points in this section are, these are the important points, students. Finding the zeros of the polynomial, we have already done it in the previous video. Now, forming a polynomial when sum and product of roots are given. So it's a quadratic polynomial. And today in this video, we are going to concentrate in this point. The next point is forming a polynomial when roots are given. And the last one is finding the remaining roots when two roots are given. So these two videos are going to be the next one. So today we'll concentrate here. Framing, or you can say forming a quadratic polynomial when sum and roots of the polynomial are given. Students, forming a polynomial when sum and products of the roots are given. So to solve this kind of problem, there is one ready-made formula. So that formula, if you use, then definitely it's going to be a very easy question. As you can see, this is the formula. The required polynomial is definitely a quadratic polynomial. That's equal to x square minus inside bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this is called sum and product of the roots when it is given. We can use this formula to solve the given sum. You can say forming a polynomial. So this at least is a very easy sum. So related to this, today we'll check some few example, and after that will be, I'm sure after that it will be perfect, and at the end of the video there is some homework, so do not forget to do that homework. And definitely this question is going to be yours. Okay, let's continue with the examples now. This is the first example, students, under this type, that is find a quadratic polynomial of which the sum and product of its zeros are. So this is the sum and this is the product. So sum of the zeros are given. It's root 3. Product of the zeros is given, that's 1 by 3. So first in the solution part, what do you do? First find out what is given as sum and what is given as product. So don't take it in something opposite way. Take it exactly what is sum and what is product. Now first write the equation which we have to get. So the required quadratic polynomial equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So dear students, this is nothing but sum of the zeros. So this is alpha plus beta. This is nothing but product. So we can call it as alpha into beta. So just substitute these two values in the given formula and it's done. We get the solution. So that's equal to x square as it is minus alpha plus beta. It's root 3. So root 3 x plus alpha into beta, it's 1 by 3. Isn't it easy? But it's not the end here. In the denominator there is some number, that's 3. So we have to overcome this number now. So to remove this number, what do? Multiply the entire equation with 3. That's equal to 3 into x square, so entire term you have to multiply, then minus 3 root 3 into x plus one more 3 here, 3 into 1 by 3. Why we are multiplying with 3 only? Because in the denominator there is 3. If there is something 5, 6, whatever the number it is in the denominator, multiply with that number. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So that's equal to, it's 3x square minus 3 root 3x plus 3 and 3x is cancelled, the remaining is 1. So now from the denominator there is no new number, right? So this is the required polynomial. Isn't it easy, students? Very easy sum. Just the condition is we must know this formula. So just substitute in the formula, automatically we can get the answer very easily. We'll check with one more sum. The second sum, find the quadratic polynomial of which the sum and the product of its zeros are 1 by 4 and minus 1. It means sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros is 1 by 4. Product of the zeros alpha into beta, that's minus 1. The first and the required polynomial, it's x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Substitute the values, that's equal to x square as it is, alpha plus beta is 1 by 4, this x as it is, plus alpha into beta is minus 1, so write it in the bracket. That's equal to x square minus 1 by 4x plus into minus minus 1. Now again, as you can see, in the denominator there is some number, so what we have to do, multiply entire equation by this number, that's 4.
Okay, that's equal to, multiply 4 here, so we get 4x square minus 4 into this 1 by 4 as it is and x as it is, minus 1 into its 4. Then final answer 4 into x square as it is, minus 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so the remaining term is just 1. So 1 into x, just x, minus into plus, it's minus 4 into 1, it's 4. So now you can see, student, there is no number in the denominator. So this is how we form a quadratic polynomial when the sum and the product of the zeros are given. Okay, this sum is very easy unless and until you know this formula. So this is the very easiest formula. In some of your schools, teachers might have taken here m plus n and here mn. In some other schools, your teachers, even they might have taken here p plus q or p cube. Anyhow, the identity is same only. Anyhow, the formula is going to remain the same only. So use this or that one, but the method remains same. So this is a very, very important sum from your examination point of view. I think it is clear now, right? So we'll take one more sum in this section now.
And this is the homework, student. As you can see, find the quadratic polynomial of which the sum and product of its zeros. It means its roots are given in the table. As you can see, a sum of the zeros. So these all are sums and these all are products. So take the sums and the products, substitute in the formula and get the answer. Once you're perfect, come back to these sums a and b and find the required polynomials, and do not forget to mention these polynomials in the comment section, right? Okay, so this is a very short video, students, because very simple concept is there for our examination from this video. So hope you all have understood this. Now do not forget to like the button and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends. If you want to check all the previous videos, then you can check it in the description link, right? Even related to trigonometry, there are some videos, you can check those videos even in the link, right? We'll meet once again in the one more 100% question video. Till then, study well, study hard.